Have problems with Sony Xperia Transfer during data transfer? This guide shows you how to troubleshoot the Xperia Transfer Mobile not working issue. Method 1. Mark the source device correctly. Before transferring files from your old phone to a Sony Xperia, you will be asked to select the source device type among Android, iOS, Windows Phone, or other like Symbian. If you fail to mark the source phone correctly, you may encounter the Sony Xperia Transfer not working issue during the process. Method 2. Reset device settings. If there's something wrong with your phone's settings, it's also likely to have the Xperia Transfer Mobile not working problem. For that, open your device's settings backup and reset to reset the available settings on your phone. For example, if you cannot connect both phones, consider resetting the network settings or performing a factory reset of your device. Method 3. Reinstall Xperia Transfer Mobile app. Sometimes when the app has bugs, corrupts, or is unstable, it will also lead to the Xperia Transfer Mobile not working. To resolve this, uninstall the app from your Android or iOS device and restart your device to clear caches. However, it is no longer available on Google Play, but you can update it to Xperia Transfer too. Method 4. Try another transfer mode. Generally, Xperia Transfer Mobile allows you to select different modes to copy files during the app setup, and the statistics show that the Xperia Transfer Mobile not working problem often has something to do with the Wi-Fi direct mode. Thus, you can choose SD card or cloud mode instead when you cannot successfully proceed with the Xperia Transfer Mobile. Method 5. Backup your device to Google Drive or iCloud. If you prefer to get your data from the cloud services, you can link the Xperia Mobile Transfer app to Google Drive Android or iCloud iPhone. However, if you sync your device to iCloud or Google Drive after that, it may conduce the Xperia Transfer Mobile not working issue. To fix this, you can back up your device to iCloud or Google Drive again. Open Settings System Backup on Android devices and enable the Backup to Google Drive option. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name iCloud Backup and turn on the iCloud Backup option. Once you make a new backup, try extracting data on the Xperia Transfer Mobile app again. Method 6. Check internet connectivity. Assume that you have a problem with the Xperia Transfer Mobile installation. Ensure that you are using a stable Wi-Fi network or cellular data. If the connection is weak and interrupted, change to another available network. Method 7. Factory reset your device and restore backups from setup. Launch settings on the target device and scroll down to find System. Tap Reset options, erase all data, factory reset phone. Once finished, follow the on-screen prompts in the setup guide to restore data. Method 8. The alternative app for Xperia Transfer Mobile not working. 1. Launch Coolmuster Mobile Transfer after installing it on your computer and click Mobile Transfer to continue. 2. Connect both phones to the computer via USB cables. If the source phone is an Android device, enable the USB debugging on your phone as prompted. If the source phone is an iPhone, tap Trust on your iPhone. If you are asked to trust this computer, then connect the Sony Xperia to the computer. When the program detects your devices, you will see connected under the device images. 3. Tick off the data types you wish to transfer and hit the Start Copy button below to migrate files to your Sony Xperia. Note: Sony Xperia must be in the destination position. If needed, tap the flip button to switch them.